Welcome back to Brad Morgan Adventures, where we take our outdoor thrills seriously, but never ourselves. Today we're in Veradero, Cuba, where the sun is hot, the water is warm, and the tropical fish are shockingly carb-friendly. This excursion set us back 100 Canadian bucks, tip included. That's $25 a person for a catamaran ride, snorkeling gear, and a front row seat to one of the most beautiful coral reefs in the Caribbean. Our boat captain was a certified legend, equal parts sailor, marine biologist, and part-time stand-up comic. He knew everything about the reef, and also thought it was hilarious that I showed up with what can only be described as a pillowcase full of buffet bread. That's right, I came prepared. The fish came hungry. The reef turned into an all-you-can-eat underwater bakery. Now, fun fact number 1. Tropical fish in Cuba aren't shy. These guys will swim right up to you like your Uber Eats with fins. And it's not just one or two fish, we're talking sergeant majors, blue tangs, parrotfish, and more. Bright colors, wild patterns, and possibly a minor addiction to white bread. Fun fact number 2. Cuba is home to over 1,000 species of fish, and its coral reefs are some of the healthiest in the Caribbean, thanks to low coastal development and strong conservation. So if you're snorkeling here, you're in for a treat. Now, I know what you're thinking. Brad, what about sharks? Great question. Fun fact number 3. Yes, Cuba does have sharks. Mostly nurse sharks, reef sharks, and the occasional hammerhead. But here's the deal, they're not interested in you, unless you look like a floundering fish or you brought the same bag of bread I did. Statistically speaking, you're more likely to get hit by a falling coconut than bitten by a shark in Cuba. So maybe just don't stand under palm trees either. Fun fact number 4. Snorkeling dates back thousands of years. Ancient Greeks used hollow reeds to breathe while watching sea creatures. Fast forward to today, and I'm using a bright orange rental mask and nearly inhaling salt water while yelling, "Look at that fish!" through a snorkel. After about 20 minutes of reef exploration, it was time to head back. But not before the fish cleaned us out. The bread was gone, the sea was calm, and my stomach was growling because I gave away my lunch to the ocean. So, was it worth it? Absolutely. Between the price, the scenery, the hilarious captain, and the underwater buffet, this may be the best $100 we've ever spent in Cuba. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever brought food to feed the fish, or been laughed at by a boat captain. This is Brad Morgan Adventures. Snorkel tested, fish approved, and proudly powered by Resort Carbs.